question number 25, which is cos 6x equal to 32 cos to the power 6x minus 48 cos to the power 4x plus 18 cos square x minus 1. ठीक है, this we have to prove. This is a very important question for exam point of view. ठीक है, so this is the, you are observing that right hand side is we have lot of terms 1 2 3 4 with the degree of 6. ठीक है, but in left hand side we have cos 6x only, but we are taking the left hand side, we can use the formula of cos 6x by writing cos 2 into 3x. First of all, we are using the formula of cos 2 theta. And we have cos 2x. What is the formula of cos 2x? 2 cos square x. In place of x, we have 3x. So cos square 3x minus 1. First of all, we are using the formula of cos 2x. So 2 cos square x minus 1. Okay. Now we can use the formula of cos 3x. So 2, what is the formula of cos square 3x? 4 cos qx minus 3 cos x minus 1. Okay. We have studied the, we have proved the formula of sin 3x. That was the 3 sin x minus 4 sin qx. Cos 3x formula is 4 cos qx minus 3 cos x. Now you can use the identity a minus b whole square. If you use this identity, 4 square means 16 cos to the power 6x plus 9 cos square x. ठीक है, cos square x 2 4 जा 8 8 3 जा 24 minus 24 cos x. ठीक है, this minus term we can write as it is minus 1. Now we can multiply by 2. If we multiply by 2, 16 2 जा 32 cos to the power 6x. ठीक है, now you are seeing 9 2 जा 18 plus 18 cos square x. Here we have multiplied by 2 4 ja 8 3 24, but we have not added the degree of the cos x. It will be cos 4x. है ना? Cos qx को we have to multiply with cos x, then it will be equal to minus 48 cos 4x minus 1. ठीक है, so this we have to prove. 32 cos to the power 6x, 18 cos square x minus 48 cos to the power 4x minus 1. ठीक है, so we can prove by using first the formula of cos 3x also. We can prove in this way also. We can write cos 3 into 2x. First we can use the formula of cos 3x, then cos 2x also. ठीक है, just see again, those have joined just now. Cos 6x is equal to, we have to prove this one. This was the last question of the exercise. So cos 6x को we have converted into cos 2 into 3x. If we multiply by 2 by 3x, you will get the 6x. But we can now use the formula of cos 2x. So 2 cos square x. In place of x, we have to put 3x only. After doing this one, minus 1 will be as it is. we are using the formula of cos 3x, which is 4 cos qx minus 3 cos x. Now this is the square, so we have to do the square of whole term. ठीक है, by using the identity a minus b whole square. ठीक है, after that we have multiplied only. So this exercise has been completed. Now we are taking the trigonometric equations. ठीक है, formulas first of all we will prove. ठीक है, in trigonometry we have so many formulas. So some more formulas are still now. The first formula, sin x is equal to 0. If we have sin x is equal to 0, so you know where the value of sin x will be 0, x is equal to 0. As we take the angle x is equal to 0, then the value of sin x will be 0. If you take x is equal to pi, then it will be also 0. If you take the x is equal to 2 pi, then it will be also 0. If you take the 3 pi, then it will be also 0. So this is the, if we want to give the particular one solution, so we can give the 0. There, but there are infinite solutions are there. If we write in the general form, so we can write x is equal to n pi, where n belongs to z. Z का मतलब you can use any integer. Z for integer, yani you can take the minus also, minus pi also, minus 2 pi also, minus 3 pi also. So we will get the infinite solution. Then it is called a general solution. But in case of particular solution, we give the answer which is the minimum value of the in radians. In particular solution, we give the only one solution. ठीक है? In principal solution, in principal solution, we give the two answers which are from 0 to 2 pi. In case of principal solution, we give two solutions. In two solutions, we will have the x equal to 0 and x is equal to pi. ठीक है? So because we take only one round of the, if we take the only one round of the circle from 0 to 360, okay, we will get the two solutions of any trigonometric function. So that is known as the principal solution. Okay, if we write the answer in terms of n, that is called the general solution. Similarly, you can observe that cos x is equal to 0. If cos x is equal to 0, then x should be 90 degree. It means pi by 2. Okay? It may be a 3 pi by 2 also, and minus pi by 2 also, minus 3 pi by 2 also. There will be also infinite solution. If we write in general term, okay, so we can give the so many answers. So this answer will be x is equal to, it is the pi by 2, yani we can write in the term of n, 2n plus 1 pi by 2, yani ki odd multiple of pi by 2. If you put the n is equal to 1, so you will get 3 pi by 2. If you put n is equal to 0, then you will get 0, you will get the pi by 2. If you put n is equal to minus 1, you will get the minus pi by 2. If you put the different values of n, you will get the so many answers. ठीक है, sin x or cos x. Similarly, tan x. In case of tan x, you can write tan x is equal to sin x upon cos x. ठीक है, so denominator should not be 0. If we want to equal to 0, ठीक है, if denominator is not 0, if denominator is 0 also, we can multiply with 0, you will get the 0. So whatever the solution of sine, the same solution will be for tan also. Same answer we can use. Sine, cos, tan. If we want to give the answer of other trigonometric ratio, first of all, we will convert into sine, cos and tan. Then we will give the answer. Okay? So one condition I have taken when we have giving the value equal to 0. ठीक है. These three formulas I have told you now. Now we want to prove the formula of sin x is equal to sin y. ठीक है. If we want to find the solution, ठीक है, sin x is equal to sin y, if they have given you sin x is equal to sin y. Now we want to find the formula of, we want to find the solution of this equation. So first of all, we can write sin x minus sin y equal to 0. ठीक है. If sin x is minus sin y equal to 0, so you can use the formula of sin c minus sin d. You will get 2 cos x plus y upon 2 sin x minus y upon 2. ठीक है. The multiple of two algebraic expressions equal to 0. So both should be separately 0. It means cos x plus y upon 2, it should be also 0, and sin x minus y upon 2, it should be also 0. ठीक है. If cos x is equal to 0, we have proved just now, if cos x is equal to 0, then general solution will be x is equal to odd multiple of pi by 2. Odd multiple of pi by 2. 2 से 2 we can cancel, then x is equal to 2n plus 1 pi alpha. Oh, by minus y. है ना, y को we can take to right hand side. 2n plus 1 pi minus y. Similarly, sin x is equal to 0. In case of sin x minus sin x is equal to 0, then solution is x is equal to n pi. X is equal to n pi. In case of x, we have x minus y upon 2. It should be equal to n pi. These two formulas we have proved just now. Now we are using these formulas. X minus y equal to 2n pi. Then x is equal to 2n pi plus y. So you are observing that if we take sin x is equal to sin y, ठीक है, so we have two formulas, two solutions. One is x is equal to 2n plus 1 pi minus y, x is equal to 2n pi plus y. यानी कि ऑड नंबर भी आ रही है और इवन नंबर भी आ रही है. 2n का मतलब इवन नंबर है मल्टीपल में, और यहाँ पर ऑड नंबर है. तो इसका मतलब वी कैन राइट n पाई. n पाई का मतलब इवन और ऑड दोनों ही इसके अंदर इंक्लूड हो गई, है ना. वी हैव इंक्लूडेड बोथ द नंबर इवन एंड ऑड. ठीक है. बट हेयर माइनस और प्लस आ रहा है, तो यानी कि वी कैन राइट वन टाइम माइनस है, वन टाइम प्लस है. तो इसको हम वी आर राइटिंग इन दिस वे. If x is equal to sin x is equal to sin y, then we have to use this formula. This is looking from odd. X is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n. Minus 1 to the power n we have given because we are getting one time plus, one time minus. If we take put n is equal to 1, then it will be minus. If you take n is equal to 2, even multiple लोगे, then it will be positive. है ना. You are observing here, in case of even multiple we are getting plus sign. If in case of odd multiple we are getting the minus sign. So without writing the both the formulas, ठीक है, we have used this formula, combined formula, that is x is equal to n pi, ठीक है, plus minus 1 to the power n y. ठीक है. Similarly, as we have proved this one, we can use the formula of, we can prove the formula of cos x also, है ना. If we take cos x is equal to, चलिए just I wrote this one. देखिए, we want to prove the formula of cos x is equal to cos y. Cos x is equal to cos y. Just to take to left hand side, cos x minus cos y equal to 0. Now use the formula of cos c minus cos d, which is equal to minus 2 sin x plus y upon 2 divided by, oh sorry, multiply by cos x sin x minus y upon 2. Sin x minus y upon 2 equal to 0. Now we are having both terms in product. ठीक है, so they will be separately 0. Sin x plus y upon 2 equal to 0, or sin x minus y upon 2 equal to 0. if sin x is equal to 0, है ना, तो क्या होगा, x plus y upon 2 is equal to n pi. If x minus y, it will be equal to n minus n pi. Then x plus y is equal to 2n pi. X minus y equal to 2n pi. यानी कि x is equal to 2n pi minus y, x is equal to 2n pi plus y. So you are observing that we are getting the similar formula, but there is a difference of plus minus sign. It is even number here, it is also even. It is not the case of the, in case of sign we have the odd and even number. So we have to take the 2n pi. General solution we have to take 2n pi, but we can write in this way, plus minus y. यानी कि we have two solutions. Either we can take plus or minus. ठीक है, both the formulas we have combined in one. ठीक है, this is the formula of cos x is equal to cos y, which I have proved just now. ठीक है, similarly we can prove the formula of tan x is equal to tan y. If we use the formula of tan, चलिए रब करना पड़ेगा, उसमें भी स्पेस we need. Either you can do from your book also. ठीक है, so many formulas I have proved. You can prove tan x is equal to tan y by yourself. It is very simple. ठीक है, tan x is equal to tan y. If you want to prove, चलिए मैं कर ही देता हूँ. लास्ट फॉर्मूला है tan x is equal to tan y. Tan x को we can write sin x upon cos x minus sin y upon cos y. We have taken to left hand side and we have divided into in terms of sin cos. Now we are taking LCM cos x cos y, which is equal to sin x cos y minus cos x sin y equal to 0. This is the formula of sin x minus y equal to 0. Equal to 0 क्यों? If you take cos x cos y to right hand side, it will become equal to 0. But sin x is equal to 0. ठीक है, the first formula which we have to, so x minus y should be equal to n pi. यानी कि x is equal to n pi plus y. So we have proved the formula of all terms sin x is equal to 0, cos x is equal to 0, or tan x is equal to 0. And other formulas were sin x is equal to sin y, and cos x is equal to cos y, and tan x is equal to tan y. So these formulas with proof you have to write in your notebook. Okay? Just every proof must be there in your notebook because I have proved in front of you. Okay? I have explained you proof of every formula. So you have not done your work because I have checked your notebook. Few students, you have not completed the work. Only few exercises you have done. Okay, we have completed the 3 chapters. Now I am taking the exercise 3.4. देखिए फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है फाइंड द प्रिंसिपल एंड जनरल सॉल्यूशन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इक्वेशन. तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू tan x is equal to √3. तो प्रिंसिपल सॉल्यूशन भी यू हैव टू देना है और जनरल सॉल्यूशन भी देना है. प्रिंसिपल और जनरल सॉल्यूशन यू हैव टू गिव. तो tan x is equal to √3. You know the value of √3 of tan 60 degrees. So you can write tan pi by 3. So we have just proved the tan x is equal to tan y, tan x. General solution will be x is equal to n pi plus y. Y means pi by 3. This is a general solution. ये आपका जनरल सोल्यूशन है. और प्रिंसिपल सोल्यूशन में क्या होगा? प्रिंसिपल सोल्यूशन में यू हैव टू गिव द आंसर विच लाई बिटवीन 0 to 360 डिग्री. यानी कि you can give the x is equal to tan pi by 3 also, and another answer you can write tan pi plus pi by 3 also. Why? In third quadrant tan is positive, so you have to give those answers which does not change the condition, है ना? That is, it should be positive in third quadrant. So 180 plus theta I have taken. So principal solution will be x is equal to pi by 3 and x is equal to 4 pi by 3. These are the two answers. ये है आपका principal solution. देखो see again, first of all tan x is equal to √3 they have given you. So you have to find this is the value of which degree, है ना? That is the value of tan 60 degree. So we have converted into pi by 3. So tan 60 is equal to √3, but it will be also 180 plus 60, यानी कि it will be equal to 240. So value of tan 240 will be also √3. So first of all, you have to take care of the sign. You know, in first quadrant all are positive. In second, sin and cosec, these positive. In third, tan and cot positive. In fourth, cos and sec positive. यहाँ तो all positive है. हमेशा if the question is given in negative sign, so you will have two answers. If they have given you positive sign, even then you have the two answers. ठीक है? So you are observing that tan is positive here, but tan is negative in second quadrant and fourth quadrant also. So every function is negative for two quadrants and positive in two quadrants. ठीक है? So you will always get the two solutions. Principal solution. General solution में you have to write in terms of n. Just see the next question. ये नेगेटिव वाला आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग cosec x, लास्ट वन फोर्थ लेते हैं. फोर्थ में क्या है? cosec x is equal to -2. ठीक है. First of all, you have remembered the trigonometric values in terms of sine, cos, tan. So you just do the reciprocal, then right sin x will be equal to minus 1 upon 2. If sin x is equal to minus 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2 is the value of which angle? Sin x is equal to minus sin 30 degree. 30 degree का मतलब pi by 6. Now it is negative. So we know the sign is negative in third quadrant and fourth quadrant. ठीक है. So we can write sin in third quadrant pi plus pi by 6. ठीक है. Or we can write sin minus pi by 6. Minus pi by 6 sin minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. Or we can write 360 minus theta also. ठीक है. There are two possibilities. You can write pi plus pi by 6, or you can write, ठीक है, sin minus pi by 6. So we have two question solution. So for getting the second quadrant, we can go in this way also. We can go in this way also. यानी कि first you go minus pi, then you can add also. ठीक है, depends on you. There are some you are writing the इसकी solution, तो answer will be x is equal to 7 pi by 6 or minus pi by 6 or 2 pi minus k pi by 6 यानी कि 12 11 pi by 6 you can write. ठीक है, it depends on you. In general solution में x is equal to n pi, ठीक है, plus minus 1 to the power n into we have to take the one angle which is numerically less, so we take that angle minus pi by 6. ठीक है, this will be the general solution. Answer may be different from your answer book, ठीक है, because we can take so many values. So it is better you take the numerically with low value here. We take that one. ठीक है. So I have told you question number 1 and 4, and second, third you have to do yourself. ठीक है. I am doing the next question, that is fifth one. देखो बेटा, fifth question. In fifth question we have cos 4x is equal to cos 2x. Cos 4x is equal to cos 2x. So you can directly apply the formula. ठीक है. You know the formula of cos x is equal to cos y, then x is equal to 2n pi plus minus y, 2x. So you have to take one time plus or minus. If both are in terms of x, we can simplify this one. If we take plus x, so it will be 4x minus 2x is equal to 2n pi. If we take minus, then 4x plus 2x is equal to 2n pi. ठीक है. In case we get 2x is equal to 2n pi, 6x is equal to 2n pi, x is equal to n pi by dividing by 2. Here we are dividing by upon 3. These two are the general solution. If we write the answer in terms of x, and then it is not general solution. Similarly, you can see the other questions. We have same manner. Question number 6. Cos 3x plus cos x divided by 2x माइनस कॉस, देखिए cos c प्लस cos d इज इक्वल टू 2 cos c प्लस d अपॉन 2 एंड cos c माइनस d अपॉन 2, यानी कि 3x माइनस x 2x divided by 2 we will get x minus cos 2x is equal to 0. Now we can take common cos 2x. If we take common cos 2x, then we will get 2 cos x minus 1 equal to 0. ठीक है, if cos 2x is equal to 0 और 2 cos x minus 1 is equal to 0. ठीक है, तो what we can give the two different answers. ठीक है, what answer will be, just I have to need some space. देखिए cos 2x is equal to 0, तो cos x is equal to 0, तो x is equal to odd multiple of pi by 2, यानी कि 2x is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. So you can divide by x 2, you will get 2n plus 1 into pi by 4. So one solution. In case of this one, second one, in case of second one, 2 cos x minus 1 is equal to, so cos x is equal to 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 means cos x is equal to, you can write cos pi by 3. Cos 60 is equal to 1 upon 2. Now you can use the formula of cos x is equal to cos y. So x is equal to 2n pi plus minus pi by 3. Right? Here we are getting pi by 3. In there we were getting, in first question, next earlier question, x, both the terms were x, so that's why we have solved that one. Now we cannot solve these. Okay, these are different terms, so we cannot solve. We can leave the answer here as it is. So we have solved the question number 5 and 6. Now see the next question also. Question number 7, sin 2x. Question number 7 है आपका sin 2x plus cos x is equal to 0. ठीक है, so we have to find the general solution. So first, these both are different, so directly we cannot use the formula. So we can open this formula, this expression 2 sin x cos x by using formula of sin 2x plus cos x is equal to 0. Now we can take common cos x. You will get cos x 2 sin x plus 1 equal to 0. So both are equal, similar. So here we are getting 2 cos x minus 1 equal to 0. Here we are getting, okay, 2 sin x plus 1 equal to 0, cos x is equal to 0. So you can do it the same manner. Little difference, minutely difference, but you can do yourself. I am just using the time because we have time. I will try to solve all the question. Cos x is equal to 0 और ठीक है 2 sin x plus 1 equal to 0. If cos x is equal to 0, so x is equal to odd multiple of pi by 2. बस ये आंसर हो गया. Here you have to convert first sin x is equal to minus 1 upon 2. So minus 1 upon 2 है तो sin minus sin. ठीक है, you can take 1 upon 2 pi by 6. ठीक है, जनरल सॉल्यूशन में you can write x is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n. In case of y, we can write pi by 6, minus pi by 6. ठीक है, minus को you can consume here. You can put the n minus 1 because my 1 minus we are getting here. So you can add here also n plus 1 you can write here. ठीक है, we have to write because it is in minus. So minus n को we have to consume. So we can give an answer in fourth quadrant. ठीक है, Sign is negative in third quadrant and fourth quadrant. So we have completed question number 7 also. Okay. Now the two questions are left. I am just trying to complete them also. If you don't get the, if I could not complete these one, so question number 9, I'm just telling you. So we have done the question number 6 in the same manner you have to do. First of all, you have to use the formula of sin C plus sin D in first and last term. After